Emergency stop. Power light. Down oven. Up oven. Vacuum pump. After starting the vacuum pump, the indicator needle on the dashboard will start to rotate. Up oven preheat alarm. Voltmeter. Up oven out sign. After putting the product in the oven, start the timer. Manual vacuum, vent valve. Rotate to the right and open, rotate left and close. First, put the materials into the heating chamber. After the material has been heated, it is removed and placed on the adsorption platform. Remove the adsorption plate and turn on the manual vacuum mode. After shaping, turn off the manual vacuum and open the vent valve. Green indicates the set temperature. Red indicates the actual temperature of the oven. It is recommended to set the heating time for the wood decorative material to 20 to 35 minutes. If the time is too short, the material will not be able to soften.